So we're looking at number 6. It says -1 equals 5 plus x divided by 6. We need to do the opposite of what we see. And what two operations do you see?
Division and addition.
Good, I see division and I see addition. So we're going to do the opposite, which would be multiplying at some point and subtracting. Now, I want to kind of write this a little bit differently. No, actually I don't. I'm going to leave it like this. What am I dividing by here? 6. So I'm doing the opposite, which would be?
Multiplying by 6.
If I multiply the right side by 6, I have to multiply the left side by 6. Because it's an equation, it's got to be balanced on both sides. Now remember, the whole point of multiplying by 6 is to undo the division of 6. These cancel out. Now I have 6 times -1. Thank you, one person, -6. And then I'm just left with this 5 plus x. Still on that same side. No, the line no longer exists because I've undone the division because I've done this multiplication. Okay. Now, 5 plus x, what do I need to get rid of?
5.
The 5. Is that a positive 5?
Yes.
How do I get rid of a positive 5? If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. How about -6 and a -5? Good. Bring down your equal sign. Again, the whole point is to get those to cancel out. A positive 5 and a -5 make 0 pairs and you're left with nothing. And the x gets brought down. And you have a -11 is equal to x. Can I check it to make sure I get it right? Absolutely. Just like if I were using a formula, I'd rewrite what I start out with. -1 equals 5 plus x, and you are writing this down, divided by 6. And again, just like a formula, I on the next step would do what? What's my next step going to look like? Plug in. Okay, substitute in what I got for x. What did I get for x?
-11.
-11. And rewrite everything that hasn't been used. I'm going to ignore this side, okay? And I have to first solve what's on top. I have a positive 5 and a -11.
Equals -6.
Good, because I played tug of war after doing that subtraction. I bring down that other 6. Still working on this side, 6 divided by 6 is 1. A negative divided by a positive is negative. Do my sides equal the same thing?
Yes.
What does that mean for my answer?
It's correct.
It's correct.